Assassin is a fun multi-day group game where players try to take out other players while avoiding being taken out themselves. Assassin works best with a large group of people, and there's no limit to how many people can join in. To set up the game, choose one player to be the moderator. The moderator's job is assigning out contracts to all of the players and keeping track of who is still in the game. The moderator puts the name and photo of each player on an individual card. Feel free to skip the photos if all players already know each other. These cards are called contracts. The moderator should also keep a list with each player's name and their weapon of choice for the game. A weapon can be any item as long as it's unique, hard to replace, and not dangerous. For example, a player could choose an engraved pen, a locket, or a water gun as their weapon. The moderator gives each player one contract to start the game, which players must keep a secret from one another. Players then attempt to take out the target on their contract card while avoiding being taken out themselves. To take out a target, a player must get them alone in a room and then show them their weapon of choice and contract card. At that point, the target is dead. The player who killed them then delivers both their contract and the dead player's contract to the moderator. The moderator then gives the successful assassin a new contract. Assassin is usually played over the course of several days to give players time to take out their targets. The moderator shouldn't reveal how many players are left in the game, or which players are dead, until there are only 2 players left standing. At that point, the moderator comes up with a final face-off for the last 2 players, which could be anything from a Nerf gun fight to a quick game of rock, paper, scissors. The player that wins this final face-off wins the whole game.